Did you know I was born in Saigon and lived in Bangkok until I was 4 years old? Fun fact, although my parents were American, they didn't speak much English to me, so I learned English in kindergarten when we moved to New York. Southeast Asian food rocks my world. You should make this quick and versatile dip even if your peanut butter jar is full. Peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, honey, garlic flakes, and pepper come together to make a delicious dip. Add to cucumbers, salad, noodles, or a sauté. It's versatile and fucking fantastic in so many ways. You should make it and make your kitchen magic. Okay. Besides being the perfect way to clean out your peanut butter jar that's got 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter left, you can use it as a dip with cucumbers, chicken sauté over noodles. So versatile and delicious. That's what I'm talking about. Let's eat.